Welcome back, people. Stu is back at me. How you doing? I hope everything's good with you. Got this 2006 Toyota Camry. But if you have a Toyota Camry between 2002 and 2006, this video is for you. How to do the front struts. Okay? So let's get it. Shout outs to the supporters. Love you. Come on. First I gotta remove the tires, alright? So the reason why you want to replace your struts is because every time you go over a pothole or a bump, speed bump, whatever you want to call it, it sounds really bad, right? And you see that when you see your struts leaking oil like that, that means that it's time to replace it. Okay, and that's why we're gonna replace it. Okay, 21mm socket for the lug nuts. By the way, this is easy, right? We're gonna do the links too. Right, this is what we got. All right, this is a 12 right here, 10mm. All right, I'm gonna do this one too. This one's gonna be a 32. All right, I would spray on WD foil for now. The link nut could be different though, depending on the brand. This one is 17mm. All right, let's get to work. $12mm right here. All right, there you go. This is a line for the caliper. Pry this little guy, just like that. It's for the sensor. This is gonna be 22. Right. This is 22 also. Okay, so you hold it if it spins. Good. So yeah, I'm gonna push it. Before I do that, don't forget this guy. Okay. 17. Yeah, that'll be 17 for the link. In this case. If it didn't spin, lock pliers. This is a Milwaukee one. Pretty good though, because you can tighten it from here. I'm gonna hold it. There you go. Easy like that. Obviously, if you need to remove this guy, you gotta lose it again. Okay. There you go. Out. Good thing is that you gotta do it on both sides, the link. So this thing is gonna be loose like that. It's gonna be easier for you to reach the nut here, pulls. Okay. So don't forget that. Now that we got that, I'm gonna take that 32. There you go. Careful, it's hot. All right. Want to tap it here a little bit. Okay. So that's Gucci. I'm gonna remove these bolts now. Okay. Now you can do it the smart way or the hard way. I'm gonna get the 22, spin it, push it. Right. There you go. I'm gonna do the same here. Same length. Right. We didn't touch nothing yet up there. Okay, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna use a bungee cord. Hold the caliper. Hold it here. There you go. Right. Hold it there. All right. Now we're good here. Now we're gonna go on top and loose everything. Come on. And well, but before we go on top, I want to do this guy through here. See if I can do it. Let's see if I have space here. Kind of tricky though, but still. There you go. Gucci. All right. Do the same on the other side, and then we can go on top. Pause. All right, this is the passenger side. I will suggest you to put the links first if you're doing it, okay? So you have more room and space. It wouldn't matter, I think, but because I still have this and I'm still removing the links. And it's up to you, but I'm gonna do it now. All right, I'm gonna put the links on. Same way you remove the link, same way you install it, okay? And we're gonna get to that part where the link, we're not gonna tie it. We're just gonna like put it there, put the nut on, don't tie it until we do the other side the same. So it's not that tight, you know what I'm saying? So you have some leverage here like this. But yeah, we get to that. All right. Now we can go on top and do those nuts. Pause. Okay, let's get it. For this guy, it's gonna be 14 millimeter. Oops, I need more power. Right here. The strut is gonna drop. Just make sure, man. You have someone to help you to hold it. Just gonna let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Do the same on the other side. This thing. Come out. Right here it is. Look at that. Now we want to put the new one the same way you remove it, same way you put it back. All right. That's pretty much it. You're probably going to need extra hands. Okay. Someone to hold it here. Now the new strut right here is going to tell you got to go out. All right. So you're going to put it like this. Okay. Pretty much. There you go. That's a new one right there. All right. There you go. Okay. So, put everything back. Pretty much. $14. And I hate this. So. Tied it good, all right? Do it by hand, just double checking. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. That's really good. Do the same on the other side. First thing I'm gonna try to do is put this one on. I'm not gonna tie it, okay? Because I'm gonna do the same on the other side. That's enough. Let's go to the other side. This is the driver, this is the passenger side. This right here is the driver's side. Because if you tied it, if you tied it on the other side all the way, you're not gonna be able to move it. That's why. Okay. That's why you don't tie it. Put this thing on. Don't tie it yet until you put everything back. Okay. All right, so this is the driver's side. Let's put everything back. Same way. Okay. So really helpful. Bungee cords. Anyway, there you go. Oh. See, this is the okay. I think the easy one is at the bottom. Then this one, just push it in. There you go. Right. Go. Put the bolts back here. Let's put some WD-40. Why not? You could put some anti-seize or Loctite. No, wait. Yeah. It's all good though. As long as you tie it really good. I'm saying. No biggie. Okay. That was 22, right? Okay. This thing goes here. This thing goes there. Here. This thing. This thing goes there. Here. This is a 12 right here. Okay. There you go. 12. Go. Gucci. 10 millimeter here. Tied it. Gucci. Pretty much. This guy here. This guy. There you go. Just like that. Tied this guy. Okay. This guy. That's good. Ta-da! Don't forget the axle nut. Never, never, never. Pause. Axle nut. That sound like something else. Pause. Pop. Final product. This is the driver's side. Right? Don't forget to give it a hit it with a chisel there, just to lock the nut in place. Pause. Put the tires back, road test it, and you might need a wheel alignment. Okay. Any questions? Put in the comment box. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers, supporters. Thank you. Thank you for the love. Where would I be without y'all? This is it. Like now, Axtuo. You know where to find me. Catch me in the next one. Boom. Yeah. Quick reminder before I go. If you're gonna comment for a specific time in the video, let's say at the 3 minutes, you put the comment, put the time, 3, 2 dots, 0, 0, space. It's gonna turn blue. Then put your comment, and when I see it, I'm gonna click on the time, and it's gonna take me right to that specific time of the video that you are pinpointing, that you wanna know about. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Out the clicking out. Yeah. Bye bye.